fall, y'all. It's your girl Jade with Fork and Photo, and today we are making a white pumpkin pie. Go ahead, get you a good old size bowl, 1 egg, and 1 cup of sugar. Then get your whisk, hand mixer, stand mixer, whatever you got, and cream that together until it is a nice, smooth consistency. Once you have creamed your egg and your sugar, it is time to get you some butter, baby. Everything is better with butter. This is 1 stick of salted, because y'all know I don't use unsalted. Salted butter that has been melted a little bit. You can leave up to room temperature, whichever one. Just don't put no cold butter in here. Don't do it. Now that your butter has been incorporated, it's time to add in your white pumpkin puree. If you want to know how to do this, it's going to be a video about it. This is about 2.5 cups of pumpkin puree, which came from 1 individual small snow baby pumpkin. Yeah, that's the name, snow baby. Whisk that puree right into that egg, sugar, and butter mixture. And now it's time to season this thing up. So go ahead and get you 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, that's light brown sugar, and an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, allspice, and cinnamon. An 1/8 teaspoon of all of it. You can add more if you like, but this is just enough for me. And now you are going in with liquid gold, also known as evaporated milk. I really don't measure this. As you see, I pour it straight from the can, but all in all, it's about 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. You can go a little bit more or a little bit less. It all depends on how you like the consistency of your pie. But I've added here about 1/2 cup in total. That's it. I know I did 2 pours, but it's 1/2 cup. And unlike a good old sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie has more of a watery, loose texture, so you have to add flour to thicken it up. I am adding 5 tablespoons of flour in 1/2 tablespoon increments. The reason why is because you want to control the thickness and the density of your pie. Do it in these small little tablespoon by tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon by tablespoon. That way you can know about how thick your pie is getting. If your pie is thick and hard, it's because you don't know how to listen. After you've added your flour, add 1 more egg and thoroughly combine. After you've mixed in your egg, and if you're satisfied with your pie, you good. However, I needed a little bit more flour. Also, add in a pinch of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. To check if you have your desired consistency, get a whisk and shake it in there. If it doesn't splish and splash everywhere and it's good and thick and creamy and delicious, you good to go. Get your pie crust. This is Pillsbury, not Jade made it. Pillsbury. And I poured about 1/2 of the pumpkin mixture into this 1 pie dish. In total, it will make about 2 pies. Unless you use a deep dish, then you'll have 1. But spread that pumpkin mixture all in the nooks and crannies. Get your oven on 350 degrees and you pop that baby in there for 45 to 50 minutes. Don't let it burn. It's white, y'all. It's white. And it is going to look like this. And you already know, baby, you are done. Now, you ain't got to do all this, but I did get me some good old pecans, and I rolled them around in some cinnamon and some sugar, and I topped this thing going across the side. Let me tell you, I am not a pumpkin pie girl. I'm a sweet potato baby, but this pie is amazing. Try it. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like, share, all of the above. Until next time.